Hello again, Andrew Ford here. Happy New Year, first of all. I hope you're starting 2025 in the right way, and I wish you all the best for this year. Provides a lot of opportunity, but a lot of new innovations and new things that we need to keep an eye on and collaborate on together. Actually, one thing that I wanted to, before I go further into software as a service marketing, I wanted to try and address some comments that Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, has made recently about SaaS and the whole evolution of the global AI infrastructure. He believes that the era of software as a service as kind of isolated solutions is coming to an end, and actually the value through creation, readiness, updating, and deleting data within SaaS platforms will be overtaken by AI agents over time. And he quoting him, he says, the business logic is going to these AI agents. They're not going to discriminate between what the back end is. They'll update multiple databases, and all the logic will be in the AI tier. This means that the AI agents are the intelligent orchestrators with integrated, and they'll integrate seamlessly across multiple SaaS platforms. And therefore, the workflows, decision making, and automation will shift to the AI agent. So some of the value will move from the SaaS provider. So broadly, he's right in the sense that the AI will radically change the way, with the large language models and the agent technology, that will shift the way information is available and automatically and very rapidly available for automated operations or decision making. So that's going to be crucial. Of course, he has a very crucial role to play as a technology thought leader, and he's representing Microsoft, with their huge investment in ChatGPT, and also seeking to be more resurgent within AI, but also generally as a tech platform. Of course, Meta, Apple, Google, and to a certain extent Amazon and others will also come forth with their own strategies and their own thought leadership here. It's going to be vital. AI is going to be crucial, and a lot of the leadership will come from within those organizations. And there'll be new innovative organizations as well. I think what SaaS businesses need to understand and have as part of their kind of vertical, and I'll talk about this much more as well, this kind of product marketing, product management, and software development ecosystem within the organization, along with support across both the non-exec board and the executive leadership team, the CEO, the CTO, the CFO, and the CMO playing a crucial role as well, of course, in that product marketing and engagement with customers, and really gathering that insights to help drive the product roadmap. And certainly around delivering AI, this is where the value add can still be made. If I look at something analogous, when I worked in a blockchain business, there was the Ethereum layer, a tailored blockchain protocol to plug into Ethereum, and then the software as a service layer on top. It was in place for that particular ecosystem. I'm not saying they're exactly the same, but this is when we need to start thinking about being able to gain access to the AI infrastructure, and the agents will be much more active and proactive. So that's going to be very, very crucial. We've had API connectors for some time. So in terms of connecting into other technology to harness data, that is something that has been done, and that will continue to be done, but it needs to be done in a much more augmented and improved fashion with regards to AI and a very rapidly innovating ecosystem. And we just need to look online now in terms of the number of different AI apps and innovations for particular usage models around content, creativity, regulation and compliance. The list is endless, and we'll look at some of those things as well as we move forward. So I think as a software as a service business, the as a service still remains, because it's more the intimacy with the customer and how that can be delivered as value with a wrap of services, and increasing that intimacy ultimately with the customer. And we have infrastructure as a service. We have other ways of service delivery being made. So I think that's where the whole emphasis will shift in that direction. And innovation on the front end is going to be crucial. I mentioned already that new way of adding value, and not only in terms of the customer, but also competitive value, investor value, the level of innovation will need to ratchet up considerably, because that is going to be crucial to make sure that the business that I am in or you are in will need to have that innovation roadmap to keep pace and to continually innovate and adjust. So having a barometer on the market is going to be really crucial, both in terms of the front end with the customer, but also the back end and how the AI infrastructure and agents are rapidly evolving, and the large language models. So I think, I mentioned those. I think, so really, Satya Nadella describes any decentralized business as a specialized enabler, which again comes back to this point that I've been referring to, which yes, it is, but there's still an opportunity for innovation and contribution based on the intimacy with the customers and the sector, or the regional markets, or the horizontal category requirement within target organizations or target customers. So I think you can add value, but it's that kind of level of intimacy, and actually from a marketing perspective, product marketing being that kind of lens on the market, needs to harness and become that bit more professional. Not that it's not already, but it's gathering the insight, disseminating that, sifting it, helping to make strategic decisions as to how the service is offered, and the infrastructure, the software, and enabling the AI is going to be really, really crucial. And as I mentioned, it's got to be across the whole of the leadership team with the right level of investment and the right level of roadmap, to make the right and crucial competitive and evolutionary decisions at every step, because those things will change, they will evolve. AI will, 2024 was a massive breakthrough year, and there's huge momentum now. It's going to change considerably, and it's very, very important that leadership teams have a distinct view on this and their own level of thought leadership, because in order to garner customer trust and be able to guide them with the right level of insights, it's going to be a vital role, and a way to retain value and the revenues and the monetization that has been very, very hard fought for. So those are my thoughts on that, and there will be much more to come, and I'll be delivering other videos about SaaS marketing, because this is not going to be overnight. This will be an evolution, but it's something that businesses need to keep pace with. Thanks so much. Bye for now.